Imagine a coupe SUV that blends sleek silhouette with practical hybrid sense, arriving as Renault's argument for style without sacrifice. The Arkana 2026 E-Tech promises efficiency and presence in one package. Tonight we test whether this balance is real. Cabin comfort, hybrid responsiveness, driving poise, and ownership reality. We will identify revealing rival matchups and exact dealer tests. This review is evidence first and aimed at buyers who want usable insight. We run repeatable dealer checks, ergonomics, hybrid system behavior, real-world consumption, and ride composure. Expect clear test points you can replicate, a checklist for negotiation, and direct comparisons where Arkana must prove itself against compact SUVs, prioritizing either sport or economy. These tests reduce buyer regret. The Arkana sits between coupe flair and SUV utility. Our core question is whether the E-Tech hybrid elevates driving enjoyment and efficiency, or whether stylistic packaging costs rear seat space and practicality. We measure cargo, rear headroom, boot aperture, and hybrid thresholds to determine whether Renault preserved usable space while adding hybrid value and believable economy under real conditions. The Arkana's sloping roofline and coupe cues shape identity, but also change packaging. We measure rear headroom, hatch aperture usability, and visibility during urban maneuvers. Aerodynamic choices influence real-world economy, while wheel and tire selection alters ride comfort. These exterior decisions produce measurable effects on practicality beyond showroom appeal. We quantify noise and access metrics. Inside, we evaluate how design meets daily use. Dashboard clarity, control placement, seat comfort, and perceived materials are tested over short and longer loops. Infotainment responsiveness, voice interface, and small storage solutions define how Arkana supports life, not just looks. Tests include family loading drills and ergonomic scoring to reveal where practical details win or lose long-term. The E-Tech hybrid system blends electric assist with combustion efficiency. We test low-speed EV torque, transition smoothness, and region behavior in urban loops and highway segments. Acceleration feel, shift logic, and energy recovery inform whether Arkana feels lively or merely economical. Repeatable consumption figures show expected everyday efficiency under consistent routes and driving styles. Active safety aids, software update policy, warranty coverage, and dealer service availability shape ownership. We examine which driver assists are standard, update cadence, and maintenance intervals. Overlaying these with depreciation forecasts and fuel costs produces a realistic total cost of ownership comparison versus rivals, exposing hidden expenses or clear advantages for long-term buyers. Verdict and dealer checklist. After structured tests, the Arkana 2026 E-Tech often balances character with sensible hybrid efficiency, but the right choice depends on priorities. Use our dealer checklist to probe rear headroom, hybrid transitions, cargo usability, and measured consumption. Tell us which rival to include next, and we will produce a focused head-to-head with exact figures and negotiation tips.